Hello guys, today I will show you how to create your custom thumbnail online for YouTube videos. You can see many people use attractive thumbnail for their YouTube videos. You can also create your own custom thumbnail professionally in a very simple way online. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
To create your custom thumbnail, go to Google and search for Canvas YouTube thumbnail, link in the description. Open the link in the description. Now, click on Start Designing a YouTube Thumbnail to get started. Now, you can see there are many templates with category. Now click on the templates to customize it. Now, we have to change the text. And you can change the background picture. You can upload your own picture, or you can also use the free pictures provided by Canvas. You can add elements, text, background and many more. After you have created your thumbnail, click on Download to get high-quality download of picture. Now you can create your own professional thumbnail online for free. Thanks for watching, hope you like the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.